Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be seeing the working of the for loops. In the previous video we have seen what exactly while loop does and how exactly it is written in Python. So on the same page you go with the for loops. It's the when you have the requirement of looping through or performing some particular task multiple times, you make use of the loops. So let's get started. For loop, for for loop there is this is the syntax that you need to follow. It's like for I in range 1 comma say 6. Now I'll explain all this to you. What has happened here is, apart from this is totally different from your traditional for loops which you see in C language or other languages. What has happened here is neither do you give a condition, or the condition is simply this in. You're checking whether the value of I is in this range. If it is in this range, it would start doing whatever you ask on the system to do. So the value of I initially is this first value. That is what is initialized to I. So is I is in the range 1 to 6? Yes, it is in the range 1 to 6. Now this range function, this is again very important. What it does is it starts off from 1 but it goes on up to 5. It's always the case, keep this in mind. In the range function, the first argument that you do or that you specify is the starting point, but the second argument that you provide, one less than that, will be your end point. We'll see that once we print. So you simply print value of I is, and I print the value of I. So if I run this is done. For loop internally performs the increment and decrement, so there is no need to specify any external I plus 1 or I minus 1. If at all you do that, then the for loop would be doing it internally, plus you would be doing it. So if you are incrementing, hopefully that would result in incrementing by 2. One would be done by your code and one would be done by the for loop internally. So there is no need to provide an increment or a decrement while using for loop. When I run this, now if you see this is what I was telling you. The first value in range is the point where it starts. That is what it has looks here. Value of I is 1. That is where it started, but it ends like this. The second argument that has been provided here, one short of it, one less than that, is the point where it ends. So keep this in mind. This is the simple implementation of for loops for you. Thank you for watching.